Ako nga pala, Derek Lucero. Ako na akong nagpapatakbo dito sa Kikos. I started working on a cruise ship as a dishwasher. I'm just helping my co-worker na cruise ship. And sabi nila, bakit hindi ka mag-training sa kusinero? Kasi lagi ka nandito sa kusina, kahit tagabalat ng sibuyas. And then after that, it's like one of the German chef recommended me to the hotel manager that maybe we can use this guy as one of our spare cooks. Araw-araw na, yung bagang passion natin sa pagluluto. Sabi nga nila, it's in the blood ang pagluluto. Once nag-focus ka, it's like, ang bilis ma-improve. Inisponsoran ako ng misis ko. So she is a Polish-Canadian. But we met on the cruise ship. You know, story yun, kaya nakapunta dito. I already applied no, an Italian restaurant named Paese. I worked there for 10 years. Oo, mahirap. Kumbaga kasi, biruin mo, Pilipino. Your title is sous chef or whatever. Pero yung responsibilidad mo na dayo ka sa isang bansa na paano mo ipapakita yung galing mo sa kanila. Tagisan ng galing na i-share natin, naturuan natin sila. Naging very responsible tayo sa mga pagmamanage ng tao at sa proper way of handling ng food. Doon tayo nakilala. Meron nag-slow doon, meron opportunity na sinabi nila, okay, baka gusto mong patakbuhin to. Sige, wala rin problema eh. I downgraded my position or being in a fine dining restaurant, which is I want to help Filipino people here in Canada. I want to represent the food that we make, the food that we represent on the customer, affordable. Hindi naman tayo pagandahan ng restaurant is kailangan yung ikaw as a cook, yung respeto mo sa tao, nasa plato. As a chef, I can twist anything. I can do much better. Hindi lang yung Ilocano ko, Batanggen po, sila is Kapampangan, di ba? We twisted some of the menus na hindi ka mananawa, which is ngayon dumadami yung customer namin ng ibang lahi because it's like well presented and then the quality of taste that we put on the food that we serve. Filipino is a simple home cook, sabi nga nila. Ito ang strategy ko. Kumbaga, ikaw na mahilig ka magluto sa bahay, I will encourage you not to cook at home because you're just wasting your time. We have a lot of choices here in the menu. Most of our customers here are like repeat customers. We're so thankful on that because I know, and my team too, they're doing their job right. The more I make the customer happy, for sure they're gonna come back. And they're gonna call most of their friends to come here too, right? Ito po makikita ko yung gaano ka, yung lahat ng experience mo, susubukan mo, di ba? Hindi naman sa makilala tayo, which is gusto mo i-prove mo sa sarili mo, lahat ng napagdaanan mo is magbubunga balang araw. I've been inspiring my staff na sabi ko, simula lang tayo sa mababa, tama ang ginagawa natin, mag-grow tayo, dahan-dahan.